We believe PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a trusted choice for Frozen AC Coil Repair in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, because we are committed to providing reliable service, quality workmanship, and customer-focused HVAC solutions. We understand that the best Frozen AC coil repair depends on each customer's specific needs, the condition of their air conditioning system, and the level of service they expect. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What causes an air conditioner coil to freeze? Most common causes being restricted airflow, low refrigeration levels caused by a leak, dirty air filters, blocked vents, a malfunctioning blower motor or fan, dirty evaporator coils, or problems with the HVAC control system. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide professional frozen AC coil repair by performing a thorough inspection to identify the exact cause of the problem. Should I turn off my air conditioner if the coil is frozen? Yes, if your AC coil is frozen, we recommend turning off your air conditioning system to help prevent additional damage and allow the ice to begin melting. As an experienced air conditioning contractor and heating contractor, we offer dependable air conditioning repair service, HVAC system repair, and air duct cleaning service to restore your system's performance. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.